Hello, guys. Right, over the next couple of weeks, we are going to geek out a bit over Google Analytics. There is nothing to be afraid of, I absolutely promise. But what I want to do is kind of demystify Google Analytics and help you get set up properly. It's really not as difficult as it seems, but I know I've been there myself. I've kind of gone to Google Analytics and run away, run out of the room, literally, well, not literally, but almost feeling like I ought to scream or something. It's can be overwhelming. So what I want to do is go over what is Google Analytics, how Google Analytics works, the difference between Universal Analytics and this new GA4, Google Analytics 4. I'm going to talk to you about how to set up Google Analytics, how to add your website to Google Analytics, and then actually kind of help you understand what Google Analytics is telling you. So today, all I want to do is go over the basics. So, like, what is Google Analytics? At its very basic, at the most basic, Google Analytics is just a free tracking tool. Google provided it reports and it tracks and reports on traffic to your website and basically shows you how visitors are using your website. So if you've got Google Analytics installed on your website, you can see exactly how many people have visited your website, where they've actually come from, and what they've done when they've visited your website. So it's really, really important. It really helps you understand, yes, your website's performance, but is your marketing working? What's working within your business, and what can you improve? So how does Google Analytics work? So once you've got Google Analytics set up properly, which I'm going to tell you to talk you through in the next video, so make sure you watch that. What you're going to do is you embed some tracking code. Don't worry, it's really, really simple. And I've given you links and all sorts of things in the next video to so that you can do this, install your tracking code. What it does is that code kind of records the activity of your visitors to your site. And then once they've left your site, that data is fed back to the Google server where you can then have a look at it and see what they've been doing. It's really, really powerful stuff, you can imagine. But it doesn't just kind of dump a whole load of data at you. It actually puts that data into these really cool reports that you can download and read. Again, funnily enough, I'm going to show you how to do that too. Right, so how's Google Analytics organized? It's kind of important. I just want to give you, we're just kind of giving you the I don't know, roadmap, architect's plan of Google Analytics. I don't know. Look, basically, Google Analytics is kind of structured on 3 levels. So top level is the user level, and then the account, then property, then view. So maybe that's 4 levels. So at the top level, you've got your user account. This is just your Gmail email address. Okay, your Gmail address. Under that, you've got accounts. So each account matches one of your websites that you manage. And then under account, you've got properties, and then there's views, which are kind of a filtered version of your properties. Yes, that's it. That's the way it works. Okay, so that's how it's structured. I'm really encourage you to go and have a look around. I'm going to show you how to get set up, but this will all make a lot more sense when you're actually set up and can you work through it. But so let's look at Google Analytics, Universal Analytics and GA4. So it's really, really important, guys. In July this year, 2023, Google Analytics is going to stop using Universal and switch over to GA4. There's a lot of help you can get on Google Analytics at the moment for moving, if you currently have a Universal account, moving over to GA4. So it's really, really helpful. They've got this kind of little helper that comes along and shows you what to do. But just the difference is basically is if you set up a new account, you're going to get a GA4 account. So just don't worry. I just wanted you to be aware of the fact that there's universal accounts and GA4 accounts. And especially if you're a Kajabi user, guys, it's a bit frustrating. Kajabi still haven't transferred us over to GA4. We're still on Universal, so you'll need to set up a Universal account and a GA4. I'll show you how to do it, funnily enough, in the next video. Don't worry though, as I say, you can have both, and I recommend that you if you're starting from scratch, obviously set yourself up on GA4. That's the standard practice at the moment. Anyway. So there you are. We had a whistle-stop tour through basically what is Google Analytics, how Google Analytics is structured, and the difference between GA4 and Universal Analytics. What we're going to do next week in the next video is talk about how you can get yourself set up properly on Google Analytics. And then we're going to jump into understanding what Google Analytics is telling you. So tune in to the next videos and you will be a Google Analytics expert in no time. Okay, See you later.